Alright, you guys, this is the update. Now that my car went to the shop and I got all the work done for the internals, it is up and running. Besides some lifters that need to be replaced, it is 100%. No check engine light. Car runs great. Yep, it is at 73,000 miles. Yep, no more checking and knocking from the crank. Just gotta get those new lifters, and that should be it. Car's up and running. Feels good. Obviously, you know, it has the lack of power because I haven't upgraded the turbo and associated parts, but yeah, as far as everything's going, it's a perfectly good running car.